All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Crab, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to stop making you profitable. Did I just say to stop making you profitable? To stop making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel, all right? Let me repeat that, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert to money. If you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, straight up, you guys are on the wrong stream, okay? And also, what the hell is with you guys? Why are you all so freaking impatient, man? This is a free stream. Enjoy what you get and stop complaining. Like, why are you guys so goddamn impatient? The ones that are new on here, this is how we've been doing it for a year. If you guys like it, stick around. If y'all don't like it, please, by all means, okay? Stop being impatient, guys. Start being ungrateful for the kind of services we give you guys for absolutely free. You'll need to realize that none of y'all are paying us to do this for y'all, okay? Enjoy what you get and take it. All right, coming back to it, we're not financial advisors. All right, so any risk that you take upon yourselves. And don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. What's up, you guys? I hope you're having a good day. Give me a quick second. I just need to see, and I just need to make sure that YouTube is up and running. It is. Okay, YouTube's up and running. And yeah, so I've done a little bit of charting for y'all. I didn't have too much time to do oil today. I'm sorry, I was a little bit, I was slightly caught up even just a bit back with our production house related stuff, but I did manage to do gold, US 30, and NASDAQ for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to quickly start to share my screen with y'all. And before I do that, I am going to quickly disable annotate because I know some, excuse my language, but idiot is going to start to annotate on my screen. Okay, disabling it right off the bat. And yeah, this is gold right now. Okay, we had a nice little bearish move from the supply up on gold. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mark that up. Okay, so what happened here? We pushed up, picked up sellers, boom. We shot back down, making potentially a little bit of a double bottom, a descending one. I am seeing some 5-minute resistance coming right over here, so let's mark that up. Okay. Oops, my bad. So we have some 5-minute resistance on gold. All right, and listen, straight up, our break of structure is going to be down here. Okay, this is for my aggressive scalpers. A lot of people say that as an insult, but I always take it as a compliment. Okay, but you guys know how to bank your pips out of this move in case they want to push down. That's a solid 25 pip zone. Get in, get out, do what you have to do. But as of right now, as you can see, we've been oversold. We're coming back, potentially trying to cross the 50, moving to the upside. Let's take a quick look at the EMAs. The EMAs are closing right here as well. So a lot of you guys must be thinking, if we can take this zone fill, why can't we take this zone fill? Y'all can, absolutely, but I just don't like the fact that the 200 is sitting right there. Okay, so I'd like to break the 200 and then let price action do its thing on the break of our 4H resistance. Okay, but by all means, if you guys want to get in for this zone to zone, take it. All right, get in, get out, make your pips, be happy, get off the stream, live your life, and let us live. Okay. Okay, potential, I am seeing a little bit of an apex being formed here as well, so let's see how they want to react. But this whole zone, I don't like this zone. All right, so you guys see the box to box. Literally, this whole zone is currently going to act as some sort of distribution, but we definitely have some back and forth rubber band movement that's going on over here. Okay, so what can we expect? Something that I am potentially seeing on gold could be like that. Okay, and then you get your move to the upside, or we just stick with that descending double top that we spoke about, and we go to get that zone fill, maybe pick up some buyers from here, do something like that. But these are just the possibilities that could happen in this market. Okay, so that's gold. Oops, my bad. Nasty is starting to play out. Okay, maybe I should have showed you guys NASDAQ. I didn't have the alerts on, but it is what it is. All right, this is only an impulse as of right now. What are you expecting price to do? You're expecting price to close in our box, retest, reject, push, break this zone, and then maybe start to come back down. Okay, so there's a reason that even though I have this box over here, the position that I'm going to be looking for is more over here, because I want to see how price reacts when we come around the demand that's going to be sitting down at this level. Okay, Strong impulse on Nasdaq. RSI extremely oversold, looks good. Starting to push down there. We're at 27 right now. I'm not in on this. If any of you guys are, good for y'all. But respect the forex strategy. Okay, get in, get out, and wait for the retest rejection of price. All right, US 30 starting to look good. If we happen to break past that, break past the 30, start going oversold in this market, we could get a nice little push to the downside. But let's see. Let's see. This may be a little bit of a market open move, okay? Right, so I'm just going to put some alerts up on. Do you guys want me to do oil? We have about 7 minutes. This is for my one-on-ones. You guys, not the new people that have just come on and think they can say whatever they want to. But you guys know who y'all are. Do y'all want me to do oil for y'all? Or do y'all want me to do anything? I'm gonna leave it up to y'all, okay? What do y'all want? What do y'all want? Do y'all want oil? Do y'all want UC? Do you want maybe? I'm in the mood to try something different today. If you guys want to do some, um, um, any pair, your choice. Let me know. Yes, please. BTC. Do you guys want to do some crypto? Y'all know me. I love some crypto myself. Goldie's already done. I'm on. Okay. Lots of lots of. Okay, pick UJ or UC. You guys have about a minute to go. UJ or UC. UJ it is. Okay. All right. Let's do a nice quick top down on this guy. We do have some time, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Okay. Cool. Nice little daily resistance coming in there. Daily support right here. Let's go ahead, mark that up. Okay. Let's switch over to the 4H. Let's move this down here. Move that up there. Building in some 4R support here and definitely some 4R resistance right there. Switch over 1 hour. Okay. Looks good. 15s. Got some 15-minute support kicking in here. Also some 15-minute support that's going to kick in here. Right, 2 levels. We'll see how price wants to more or less react with them. Let's switch over to the 5s and switch this up. Okay. Nice strong level right there. So we'll move this up and let's catch that most recent level as our 5-minute support. Okay, now there's a wick fill up here. Lots of traffic on the left as well. Okay, so let's mark this up as wick fill holds. Okay. Let's see. So we're currently in a nice little trap. I'm going to move this here. We're currently in a nice little trap. And I want to see how we sort of react up around here. I need you all to realize that there are lots of sellers that kicked in from this region, so there's going to be some supply over here. We break that wick fill, we're going up to the daily resistance. We start to come back down from here. me scusi. We start coming back down from here. We then have a move potentially down to that, and then we have our demand that's going to be sitting down here. Okay, so now that we've done the analysis, let's take a look at the EMAs. Okay, again, small scalp. If you guys want to get in, you'll know where it's at, and let's get the shorts in here. Okay. A lot of people ask us, where should the stop loss be? Your stop loss depends on your risk management. Okay, it's up to you where you guys want to have your stop loss. Our zones are usually a couple of pips, so if you want to play zone to zone, you can go ahead and do that. If not, it's up to you guys. Okay, your stop loss really depends on your risk management. Let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, could be bullish, could be bearish. RSI not giving us anything as of yet. Let's see. Okay, so this is UJ for y'all. We now have 4 charts up. We have Goldie right here. We have UJ right here. We have the Dirty, which is showing some nice bearish momentum. I like it. And we have Nasty over here. Okay, so now what are the possibilities? We have about a minute to go. We could, one, break down on NASDAQ. Okay, break down from here. Have a little bit of an impulse, retest, and then maybe push down. Okay, so that could be the move down here. All right, if not, we also have some demand that we're going to be coming into over here, right? So this demand could lead us to getting into some buys, and then we bring this down here and try to ride the momentum to the upside. Okay, but we'll get to that when and if we get to that. Okay, but for now, this is what it looks like. This is the Dirty for you guys. Break below demand looks good. We could get a little bit of an impulse right now. I like the sells coming in on Dirty. Okay. Okay. So let's see. And listen, you guys don't need to be taking the first candle for market open. Okay. You could literally just take your time and sort of just do your thing, right? Wait for the second candle to play out. It's really no problem, right? But US 30 is now coming through. Let's have a good one, you guys. Please don't be using stupid risk management. This is market open in the next 3 seconds. Let's get it, Forex fam. Okay, market open. Look at that. They had a nice little flick. They respected our supply. If they happen to break this, we're pushing down to hit TP. Okay, if not, they're not going to do much about it. This is now flipped to supply. So the buyers flip to sellers, sellers flip to buyers, supply flips to demand, demand flips to supply. Anyone that tells you otherwise doesn't know shit about these markets. Okay, just letting you guys know. Don't fall into that trap. Okay, let's see how we want to either break out of here or get rejected from here. And same story applies here. I'm going to wait for the first candle to close. So far, the markets are not doing too much at all. Okay, so now we adjust this right there. Nasty. Okay, seems like they are indecisive right now. Okay, watching. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now, guys? Or are y'all just watching like I am? Watching? Good. Also, we have, okay, look at NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ popping up with an impulse. Please only be in on a feeler. Don't be stupid, you guys. These markets clearly don't have volume right now. So please be careful, okay? Now, this may break, push down, and that may have a retest, rejection, and push up, okay? Space, my man, when's your birthday, buddy? When's the birthday coming? 5 days? Awesome, man. I remember being in college and getting excited about my birthday. Feels like such a long time ago, man. College was such a long time ago. The best thing I got out of film school was my wife. No kidding. Not that excited anymore. Hey man, it's all good, but these are still exciting. But I feel after a certain age, it's just that's whatever. I mean, I'm close to 30 at this point, you know. But these don't excite me no more. Okay, let's see how we're gonna react up here. Also, some news which I'm not gonna officially give out yet, but yeah, we have something in the works and planned for um, for our live funded forex traders. All right, so you guys, y'all know who y'all are because I keep telling y'all, okay, and I keep telling Milzone, I keep telling Yano, Cash also keeps telling them. We get messages every day that people are becoming funded traders and they are look at look at Nasdaq. All right, boom, we break that and we're pushing. Okay, but I need y'all to realize the amount of supply that we have sitting here. Let's mark this up as a nice 5 minute level. Okay, sorry, coming back to what I was saying, you'll know what these candles do to me. All right, but we have something planned for you guys, and to give you all a little bit more of an edge over the rest of the group. And we want to know where our serious traders that are really, really making money, where they at. Okay, so we're gonna have some announcements out soon. Um, your forex journey with forex trading is going to get better. I promise you guys that. Okay, so let's we'll just give us a bit. We'll come out with those announcements and we'll let you guys know. Okay, but this is going to apply to all of the live funded forex traders that we've churned out here at forex trading. You should be. Okay, gold starting to, like we spoke about, make maybe that possible double bottom. Now this move is going to be about 35 pips in case that wants to happen. Okay, so my suggestion to y'all, wait for the close and wait for the break of this region. That would be my suggestion to y'all. Okay, because y'all can see how crucial that level is, and I'm just going to mark that up for y'all just so y'all know. But let's try and get the break of that to the wick fill. Okay, that he's pushing. Nah, that he's not doing too much, man. It's being indecisive. And if in the next 4 seconds we happen to, it's not happening, so we may start to get rejected from here now, moving back down. Okay. Chop chop. We do have movement, but it's erratic. Goldie, impulse. Family, please DM me on Discord. Sure, Mama, definitely, bro. I didn't have weekend sessions this week, and I may not have them next week as well, just because of we've been dealing with some personal stuff. But yeah, that's why I didn't end up messaging you, but I'll definitely reply back to it. Okay, Mohammed? Okay, there you go. A little bit of a push. Don't worry, Mohammed. I got you, bro. Nasdaq's breaking. Thanks, space. We're trying. Okay, one-on-ones. What are we seeing on Nasdaq? What is the potential move that Nasdaq could be trying to make? Look at, sorry, US 30 could be trying to make. Sorry, but look at Nasdaq, man. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close because I do not want to get caught in a fake out. Straight up, I'm in on no trade right now. Okay, like you guys know, I'm waiting to break the supply, successfully make a demand, and then push higher. Yes, Tusu, correct. Good job, Tusu. So expect a little bit of a couple of sellers to kick in from here, push back down, maybe flip this to demand, test that out as well, and then give you the real move. Okay, but these markets right now, they're taking time to play out. UJ could pick up some buyers from here. Push back up. Let's take a look at the EMAs on UJ. Oof, okay. Maybe if we happen to close down here, we could still get the move that we're looking for. Let's see if there's any sort of divergence. Nothing. It's literally the RSI is literally a replica of price action. Okay, so there's no divergence, nothing of that sort. Um, let's see, man. On Goldie, looking to break that high. which is the 61.65 region, and then maybe we fill it up to 64.26. I'm liking the sells on UJ. Yes, I am too, but we need to close down here, buddy. That's what I'm looking for. A close, retest, rejection. Okay, I'm in zero trades right now, you guys. I'm in zero trades, just watching. Okay, um, maybe the new 15-minute momentum will bring in something. Okay, but for now, there's nothing. There's no point of you guys or any trader, any technical trader, FOMOing into trades within these markets. It never ends well. Okay, so take your time. You guys need to understand that even if you don't get a trade on a particular day, that's fine, because a lot of trading is psychological, and a lot of it is what you feel in your gut after a certain point. Okay, so you could have a not so good feeling about a trade, and if that's the case, you don't want to get in on it, because you'll need to realize that not taking a trade is actually a really, really hard thing to do, especially for new traders. Okay, but professional traders like us that have been trading these markets for years at a stretch profitably, we don't we realize that even 2 or 3 trades per week does it for us. You know what I'm saying? If you have the right risk management, everything falls into place. You won't be stressing about it. But if you're just going to keep FOMOing in on trades that you don't feel good about, um, especially for the fundeds, I promise you, that's a recipe to disaster. UJ, beautiful retest rejection. It's about a 6 pip impulse on UJ. All right, and finally, let's see if in the next 20 seconds gold and UJ wants to close in our box and give us a nice retest. Okay, now my only concern with gold is I'm also beginning to see some like that. Okay, but again, this move for that wick fill is possible. Okay, all right, they closed right up in our box, a little bit of a retest. Do we break the EMAs? Okay, good. So we have a little bit of retest that we could hold over here. If we don't hold over here, y'all know it. Your Lambo entries are not coming into these markets, okay? UJ starting to look good. Starting to look good on this guy. Excuse me, break that low. We're pushing down. Good lord, US 30 is choppy, man. Extremely choppy. And so is NASDAQ. Now let's see. Let's see if NASDAQ wants to activate their sellers and their orders from here again, or if we have enough momentum to create a higher high. Okay. No Lambo confirmation on US 30 as well. It's not worth it for these 10 pips if that's what you guys are thinking. Okay, it's really not worth it, because expect some sellers to kick in from here as well. Retest. You know what? If no one's in on this, I'm just going to switch this up because I'm not liking this. And I know a lot of people are not going to understand how to get in on a trade like this for 10 pips. Okay, give me a quick second, you guys. Okay. Just making a couple of adjustments. Consider that another impulse on gold if we happen to close down here. Not gold, my bad, on US 30. Let's look at gold. Still a retest. No confirmation on gold. UJ is giving it to you guys. How many of you guys are in on UJ right now? It's a Forex move, all right? It's a Forex move. You have the break, you have the retest, you have the rejection, you have the break of previous structure. You're not going to be up by too much right now. I think it's about 4 pips, 4 pips. But it is what it is, okay? With the FX pairs, you need to adjust your risk management accordingly, okay? You can't be expecting your 10, 15, 30 pip moves on the FX pairs. You need to realize that it's less volumized than the indices and then the commodities. When I say commodities, I mean gold, I mean oil, and all of that good stuff. It is less volumized. So that means that you're going to bank smaller pips for the same move. At the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Okay. On US 30 for you guys. Okay, if not, we're gonna UJ is going down to hit TP. I'm so glad we did every single day. All right, so now we're gonna pick up some buyers from this move. If you guys caught this was a net Sahil Sakhya. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. It's overwhelming, guys. Every single day we have someone either clearing phase one or becoming a live funded trader. I get messages, Cash gets messages all the freaking time, which is why we've decided to do what we're about to do for our live funded traders. Okay, you guys are gonna just get a little more out of Forex trading. You guys are just gonna get a little more out of us, okay, than the rest of the community. And it's not to put you guys down, but it's more to push the aspiring traders to push even harder so that they can get funded and be part of it as well. Okay. Private session? No, man. No private sessions, bro. But yeah, you guys will know soon. Wow, look at Nasdaq. Okay, remember me telling you guys, you'll break that and you're getting the move. Okay, and US 30 is starting as well. How long will it take to start for funding traders? What do you mean by that? Okay, anyone in on Nasdaq? I'm in on an impulse on Nasdaq. All right, just an impulse on Nasdaq. Waiting for a retest, but I also have my eyes on US 30 right now, even though it's even though there are so many of those wicks, but I like it. Corolla in on Nasdaq, good, 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 good. Caught nasty, congratulations, P2, good stuff. Gold's extremely choppy, you guys. Stay the hell away from gold. I told you guys, y'all should have been looking for positions on gold if we happen to break that high. And as y'all can see, we never did. We picked up sellers, okay? So gold, the moves were nullified. Caught Nasdaq, awesome, Boris. Good on you, buddy. Bank your pips, okay? This could push higher, but we could also start to get rejected from here, okay? Bank your pips. 2.5 minutes is a lot of time. Price could come back down and even close below the daily resistance. We have solid news in 13. Okay. I haven't taken anything so far. I'm just in on the Nasdaq feeler, guys. I'm just in on a Nasdaq feeler. Cram, can we make arrangements for the session with space? Yes, buddy. I'll get it done for you by this weekend. I've just been running a little busy with my other work is all, but don't worry, I'll get you guys. I actually have to get spaces session sorted as well, so I have to do both of your sessions. And don't worry, I'll get it done. Okay, buddy? Within this week, or max the weekend. Okay. Cram, let's prioritize Shelby's first. Okay. Whatever works for you, space. Whatever works for you, buddy. Cool. So then we can do Shelby's first, and then we can figure yours out probably over the weekend. That's what you're saying, right, Space? Sounds good, man. Any day that's not your birthday, though, okay? Cool. We're still just watching. We're still just watching. I do not like Goldie. I'm expecting some buyers to kick in over here. Yep, I'm expecting some buyers to kick in over here. Let's see. If anyone wants a quick scalp, listen, the ones that have made your money, don't be getting in on these trades again. But if you're looking for a quick scalp, 5-minute support right there, boom, back up to the 15-minute resistance. You're looking at another 12, 13 pips, okay? All right, let's look at NASDAQ now in the next 22 seconds. Now, let's try to get in with the entry exit strategy, okay? You can look at the retest as well. If you have a nice little retest here or here and you start to see a rejection, it won't be such a bad idea to get in for a quick 5, 10, 15 pips, okay? Yalla habibi, let's do it, man. All right, new candle. Okay, let's see if they want to retest. Expect it to come down a little bit. There you go. Come on, give us a little more red. Give us a little more red. Otherwise, I don't think we're going to have enough momentum to break. It's almost like, if I have to give you guys like an analogy, right? Like if you guys are on a trampoline, you're going to have to push your force down, like push your weight down. And the more you push your weight down, the harder and the higher you're going to jump high up. You know what I mean? It's very, very similar to that, right? So it's momentum. To gain momentum to push this, we need to get a little bit of just, we need to sort of push down a little, and that's when we'll be able to successfully get that jump higher. You know what I mean? Good lord, I hate gold right now. Okay, so we've got 9 more minutes to some news as well. um let's see. Okay, US 30 is super choppy. This is what I meant. Okay, now that's a nice little retest body that we're having. So a lot of the retail will basically be getting caught over here. Okay, and now we understand risk management, but the retail don't. You know what I mean by that? So they'd be entering on their fat ass lots over here, and then before they know it, they can't even hold it down 5, 7, 10 pips because they don't understand risk management. Okay. Can I give you $1,200 for a private session? Um, You don't have to. We just charge 330 and 490. That's about it. Nasdaq, nice little retest. Okay, now I'm starting to like that now. Let's get some momentum and maybe we start a push. Okay. Yes, the chat is becoming weird space. I'm not gonna lie myself. It's yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. You guys are seeing it now. We're actually interacting, man. You can only imagine what it's doing to us, but it's all good. It is what it is. We're always welcoming to our newer members. Okay, and let's see if we want to close up above. W on Goldie, congratulations, buddy. You caught the cells on gold from here. Is this what you were looking at? Nice, good going, Shelby. Good going, brother. Congratulations. Okay, this is what I meant right now. That looks like a nice retest, and if we get a pop, oof, yummy. You know what I mean? Let's see. Let's see. All right, so we have consumer confidence in the next couple of minutes. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what's gonna happen in these markets in the next 6 minutes. I hope you guys understand what I meant by with the whole trampoline example now, right? You see what I mean? Now the retail, when we started to break up here, they'd be getting in on fat ass positions, right? And then they can't even hold it down for 14 pips, right? So this is what acts as a nice stop loss hunt, you know? Gold, please, buddy. Let gold break down here, and that's when you have the move. Okay. You remember what I guys told you? What I told you guys about this? You remember that, right? If you got in on the buys here, did anyone get in on it? But you guys should be running right now, okay? And you're going right back up potentially to your 15-minute resistance. Gold, I have an alert on gold, so Prince, if it happens to reach our area, we will be notified, okay? Till then, don't worry about it. Good Lord, I'm not trading this guy, man. I'm not doing this, even though I really do like the sells, but I'm just not gonna do it, man. Or maybe I get a little order in. What do you guys think? Dirty seems asleep. I feel like Dirty may pop, bro. I feel like Dirty may pop on news. I don't know why. These wicks are just. I feel like they're trying to tell me something, and it could pop. It could pop. Okay, now it definitely could go bullish as well. I just like the sells a little more. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we want to maybe break that. Okay, and if you guys are fast enough, I know a lot of y'all have now become fast enough trading with Cash and myself for the past close to a year now, guys. Can y'all believe it's been close to a goddamn year that we've been streaming for y'all? It's unreal, man. It's unfreaking real. I remember how we started with about 3 or 4 people on Project Whitelist, and we're building our army of millionaires now. It's unreal, okay? And excuse me, guys. Just give me 1 second, okay? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. I'm speaking to Mr. Mark.
Yeah?
Okay, Mr. Mark, my name is Amina, contacting you from Capital 70 Company, Mr. Mark. How are you?
I'm good. I'm actually at work right now. Can you please call me back in some time?
Yes, sir, no
Thank
problem.
you.
I will contact
Thank
you.
you. Sorry about that, guys. I got a call. Look at that. We're popping on NASDAQ, okay? Boom. What did I tell you guys? We break that high, so I'm in on NASDAQ right now. I'm in on NASDAQ. I got in at about the 55 area, minus my spreads. I'm running by about 5 pips on NASDAQ right now. I'm going to change this to break even because we're super close to super close to news, man. I'm not comfortable, but give me a quick second. I need to change this guy to break even, okay? Okay, I'm in on a break-even trade, guys, and I am now either gonna make a shit ton of money on news or, guys, I am freaking running. Okay, I'm running by about 12, 13 pips at this point, 12, 13 pips on NASDAQ. I'm in with $300. Do the math. I love it, okay? Now, if I get stopped out, it's all good because, again, like I said, my main agenda for the day was to put myself in a break even spot, right? And I was waiting for these moves to play out. So the second I saw it, I tried to jump in and catch it, okay? So I was able to. But again, now, if it wants to come back down on me, it could absolutely go ahead and do that, and I wouldn't care. Okay, I wouldn't care because I would have still tried and I would have still at least put myself in a break-even spot. You know what I'm saying? So absolutely, guys, go ahead and wait for news. Y'all don't need to hop in. All right, wait for it to play out. If on news we happen to break those highs, you've got another entry right there. I'm getting quick and doing calculation in pips and profits now. That's good, Tusu. That's good, brother. Using 2 minutes? Yes, sir. Okay, I'm running by about 6, 7 pips on my. You know what, guys? I'm okay, possibly taking a little bit of a drawdown here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a 5 pip stop loss just in case. Right, if that goes against me, I'm okay with it. Not too much, 1,000, 1,200. I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm gonna probably have a 5 pip stop loss, but I just like this kicking in right now. Okay? No, I take that back. I take that back. All right. So what I am going to do is I'm going to have this at a break-even stop loss, and I'm going to start looking at US 30 instead. Gold, Prince. There you go, buddy. Gold. Okay. We're starting with a little bit of an impulse. 48 seconds to news. I'm going to have this at break-even, guys, and I'm going to start keeping my eyes on this. Okay. I just got stopped out at break-even. I got stopped out at break even. Give me a quick second. I am going to set an order for this trade up at the highs, but I really like US 30 coming in, man. 30 seconds to go. Let's see what they are about to do. Okay? Okay. Hmm. Okay, cool. I'm set with in case this wants to start a push up, and I really like this coming in. All right, guys. News is now. Let's see. Okay, not triggered in on anything yet. Watch for spreads. Absolutely, guys. Tusu's right. Okay, watch for your spreads. Gosh, dirty is super choppy, man. Okay, now let's see how we want to react in and around this area. Did gold do? Oh, all right. Did you guys make some money on gold? Nice little impulse on gold. Break of the daily support as well. Anyone catch gold? Gold spread 3 pips. That's fine, buddy. 3 pips is not so bad. Anything between 10 and 30 is good. 1 to 3 pips. Or less, of course. Did anyone take the UJ trade that I told you guys to? Anyone at all? For those quick 10 pips, you would have ended up getting 26 pips on this. Kurt, you took it? Awesome. TP right at demand. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, but that's a good retracement. That's the power of price action, guys. That's the power of price action. Okay, all I'm looking, there you go. All right, come on. I'm in on US 30. I'm in on US 30 from around that wick area. Okay, small position. Don't get me wrong. I'm not in with my Lambo yet. My Lambo entry is going to be after the close of this candle or the break of this low. All right, so I'm trigger finger right now. Come on. I'm watching it. All right, so I'm in with the smaller position and I'm triggered in on NASDAQ as well. Small positions, nothing too big. Nothing too big right now, okay? You guys know. Even if I do get in, it's gonna be a more. They're just not doing it, you guys. They're being stubborn. They're just being push and pull on gold. If anyone's in on this with me and you're wondering where your stop loss should be, right there. Most likely, okay? Guys, I need a quick second. I'm getting a call. I need to take this, okay? Give me a quick second. Hello? हाजी 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 बोलिए कितना है प्लेटलेट 190 है तो डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा है हाँ डॉक्टर से बात आप करवा देंगे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है थैंक यू हाँ मैं 11 बजे कॉल करता हूँ कल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं मैं कॉल करता हूँ थैंक यू sorry sorry about that guys I had to take the phone to take the call my bad okay Nothing going on right now, you guys. Pretty choppy. And if, again, stop loss down there, they are starting to get rejected from here. Let's take a look at the EMAs. Prepping up for FOMC. Yeah, seems like it, man. Seems like it. Okay, let's see if they have momentum right now, you guys. It doesn't seem like they do. It doesn't seem like Nasdaq has momentum to push. Choppy, choppy. All right. I, excuse me. I'm gonna have my stop loss for this over here. Also, I'm in with small positions. I'm in with $5. So nothing too much. Come on, US 30. Give me the goddamn move. Break down US 30. Gold chop. Yeah, everything's chop. The cleanest was UJ today. That was the freaking cleanest. Okay, listen. A lot of people, as usual, are starting to leave the stream now. Post up on success stories, okay? We do this as a free service for you guys. Every single trading day, we don't only come on for New York, but we also come on for London Market Open. My lovely partner Cash FX absolutely kills these markets for London Market Open, and a lot of you guys have been making a lot of money with her. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and post up on success stories because listen, man, a little appreciation really goes a long way. Okay, I promise you guys, there's no one out there on the internet that is providing you guys with the value that we do. Okay, um, even if people try to give you the sort of setups that we do, I promise you guys they're gonna charge you probably five, 800 or $1,000. Okay, I'm not even kidding. But we do this for absolutely goddamn free. Stop taking advantage of us and make sure. I got stopped out of Nasdaq, by the way. Make sure that you guys are posting up success stories. It's free for y'all to do, and you'll just a lot of you guys are lazy to do it, and I have no I have no answer as to why. If we're not lazy to come on here for you guys every single trading day and do these streams, make ourselves vulnerable in front of y'all, put our analysis out there, you guys should definitely have it in y'all to post up success stories for us. Just letting y'all know. You guys are killing it. Thank you, Baha. Come on, US 30. Give me that little drop down. All I'm looking for is 10 goddamn pips. This much. And I'm going to get out of US 30, okay? I got stopped out of NASDAQ and I don't care about that. I am looking at US 30 right now, though. Okay, I took about a close to a 20 pip L on NASDAQ and I was in with $5 a pip. So that's $100 on my account, okay? This is why I don't know how many of you guys caught it when I said it, but this is the reason as to why I didn't want to hold 5 pips with my Lambo, right? Because now I got out with $100 loss, but if I was in with my Lambo, I would have unnecessarily taken a $1,200 loss. Excuse me. You know what I mean? So I thought I'd rather get stopped out at break even if I have to, and get in with a smaller position to test out the market to see if the move wants to come or not. Cram, check out Discord messages. It's about the thing we've been talking about during our private session. Oh, awesome, Lenny, for sure, buddy. I'll check it out. I'm so sorry. I haven't checked the messages yet, but if it is what I think it is, then I'm going to do it right after the session. Okay, thank you, my man. Thank you so much, Cram and Cash, for doing these sessions. I'm thankful for all the help that you guys always give us. Anytime, Jay. Anytime, buddy. We're here to help you guys. We're here to churn out profitable traders from Forex trading. All right, that's what we're here to do, and it's pretty insane. The thing is done. What the hell, Lenny? Okay, I'll get in touch with you. Okay, buddy. All right, guys. Do we have any final questions, or are we good to call it a session? Because I'm not seeing too much happen over here. You'll have my levels anyway. The only thing that I'm going to be on the lookout for is this break. Okay, but as of right now, we're picking up buyers, you guys. We're picking up a lot of buyers. The moves don't seem like they want to happen. All right, there's just too much of chop in these markets right now. what thing? Too many hints today? Hey man, you're gonna know. You're gonna know soon enough, all right? But we're working on something, and it should really help our trading style. Okay, I'm out of this position as well, you guys. I'm out of this position as well. All right, small L for me today, but I'm not stressing about that. Okay, because L's are part of the game, and as long as you have risk management, and um, um, as long as you're able to navigate your way through these markets, knowing that there are going to be L's every now and then is fine. All right, my account is down by about $200, not even 200, close to $200 for today, which honestly is how much I lose on a fee though. You know what I'm saying? Even though I was in with $5 a pip, I had tight stop losses, and not stressing about it. Not stressing about it. Okay, $200. It's all good. New day tomorrow. New moves tomorrow. New opportunities tomorrow. But I'm telling you guys from now, tomorrow is going to be choppy as well. Okay, I'm not going to be doing FOMC for you guys, like I did last time. We didn't honestly have too many people that came on, and it's like past midnight for us. I mean, I'm okay. Being up past midnight and doing the streams well, that's not the issue, but we want to do it when there are people that are going to join, and especially when there are people that are going to come and appreciate what we do, all right? Because a lot of you guys are army of millionaires, are OG traders, the ones that have been with us from the project whitelist days. You guys are always appreciative of us, okay? It's the newer audience that's coming in. It's those folks that sort of like to take us for granted. Okay, so I'm most certainly not doing FOMC just for that, but we'll see. We'll work through it. Okay, we'll see if something comes up, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Maybe I do a little bit of a surprise stream for my OG fam, for you guys on the one-on-ones, but we'll see how it goes. No promises. Okay. Love from India. Thank you, Pavan. Thank you, buddy. Love back to you, man. Thank you, my man, as always. Cheers, Baha. All right, guys. So I think Space sent a message. I need to read that. It's good for me. Thanks, Ryan, for all you do. I know you're extremely busy, but let's get the sessions organized because this week is going to be terrific too. Absolutely, buddy. I'll get it done for you, okay? And for Shelby as well. Thank you for the session. Got some dubs on NAS. Excited for my one-on-one next week. Awesome, Frosty. Looking forward to it, buddy. Thanks for the session. Call it. Thanks for the knowledge and education. Cheers, guys. All right, I'm going to call it a session. Thank you all so much. Listen, and as I keep saying, we're building a goddamn army of millionaires. All right, so it's up to you guys. If you want to hop on, do what we do, spectate, start making money, do whatever you have to, but learn what we're doing here on Forex trading. Join our Discord server and just aggressively scalp these markets with us. All right, thank you guys so much. This was a very, very good learning session. Make sure those goddamn success stories come pouring in, and I will catch you guys for London tomorrow. All right. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Cheers, take it easy, have a good one. Bye.